Introduce highlight features and quick overview of LG 7000 BTU, DOE/10,000 BTU, ASHRAE Portable Air Conditioner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Cool mode provides powerful cooling and dehumidifying in hot days. Fan mode circulates air and dry mode is ideal for rainy and damp days. Oscillating air vent circulates air evenly to avoid hot spots. 2 cooling and fan speeds allow you to customize your cooling. Cools rooms up to 300 square feet. LP0721WSR is ideal for cooling medium rooms. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.